Bapu, as his countrymen affectionately called him, was born in Porbandar, a small town in Gujarat. On October 2, 1869, he was named Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Karamchand Gandhi, his father, was a minister in Rajkot. His mother, Putli a pious lady, had great influence on Gandhiji. Gandhiji began his education in Rajkot. From an early age, he displayed qualities of truthfulness and honesty influenced by stories of King Harishchandra. He was not an outstanding student, but he was very hardworking. At the age of 13, he was married to Kasturibai. Gandhiji went to England to study law. He returned to India as barrister and started practicing law. In 1893, he accepted long-term work as a legal representative in South Africa. There he was appalled to discover the discrimination directed at all colored people. They were treated as second rate citizens and were denied all social and economic rights. His experience of being thrown out of a train compartment for refusing to make room for a European passenger was a returning point in his life. He actively sought to end discrimination against Indians. He was mass protest in 1906 that led to Gandhiji adopting satyagraha or non-violent protest for the first time. He returned to India in 1916 and immediately got involved in independence movement. He could not bear to see the atrocities committed by British against his countrymen. Although there had been many revolutionaries in this struggle for freedom movement, Gandhiji's tactics were different. He did not believe in violence and terrorism. He was determined to fight for freedom by peaceful and non-violent methods. He launched what came to be known as the non-cooperation movement. Unjust laws were defied but peacefully. Thousands of people joined Gandhiji on his march against the tax on salt satyagraha movement in 1930. In 1942, he started Quit India movement. He traveled all over the country where crowds of people would turn up to hear him speak. The masses adored him and looked up to him as their leader. He was imprisoned several times along with Pandit Nehru and other national leaders. Gandhiji stood for truth, non-violence and equality. He strongly opposed untouchability and launched a campaign against the degrading practice. He also started the Swadeshi movement to encourage and help local weavers and craftsmen. Under his leadership, thousands of people burned their foreign made goods as a token of support towards their countrymen and defiance of the British. In 1947, His efforts and those of many other brave patriotic leaders bore fruit and India got her independence. Unfortunately, with it came the partition of the country and the communal riots and carnage that accompanied it caused millions to lose their lives. Gandhiji was extremely sad and did his best to bring comfort to the people affected by the riots. On January 31, 1948, while he has talking part in a prayer meeting in Delhi, he was shot dead by misguided youth named Nathuram Godse. He fell to the ground with the words Hey Ram on his lips. Mahatma Gandhi ji will always be remembered as Bapu, the father of the nation and a man of unmatched principles and ideals. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.